Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful to the new subscribers who joined the family. And if you just stopped by, please click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Fairytale Inspired DIY Challenge. And this is hosted by Indiani Jones and Sandra LumberMill DIY. So this is the final result of the Enchanted rose, you guys. I'm very excited and very happy how this project turned out. And it came out really more than what I expected, to tell you the truth. And yeah, this Enchanted rose from the Fairytale of Beauty and the Beast was always been my favorite, and I wanted to recreate the enchanted rose using Dollar Tree items, and you would never say this is made from Dollar Tree items. So yeah, I'm very happy how this turned out. Like the process you saw, this is the cloche from Dollar Tree, and I stuck one of the makeup mirror. I just stuck in the center of the cloche, and then I stuck golden ribbon to just embellish the cloche, and I stuck the rose with one leaf, and I actually circulated that rose with fairy lights, and yeah, it's ready. So, and I also scattered some of the red diamonds and some leaves of rose. I absolutely love this project, you guys. I hope you also enjoyed as much as I did. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.